In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira and Confluence together. Integrating Jira and Confluence is a simple way to connect project tracking with team documentation, so your work and your notes live in one shared space. In this example, the focus is on bringing Jira information directly into a Confluence page, which makes it much easier for your team to stay aligned without constantly switching between tools. To begin, open the Confluence page where you want to add Jira information. This page will become the place where your Jira data is displayed for everyone who needs to see it. It could be a project overview, a meeting notes page, a planning page, or any workspace your team uses regularly. Once you are on the page, type a /. This opens the Insert menu in Confluence, which shows different elements and tools you can add to the page. It is the quickest way to insert content without having to search through menus manually. After typing the /, start typing the word Jira. As you type, the menu filters itself and narrows down to Jira-related options only. This makes it easier to find the exact integration you need, especially if your page already supports many different insert options. At this point, a drop-down will appear showing different Jira items you can insert. Depending on your setup, this may include individual issues, saved filters, or project information. The list gives you a visual way to choose the correct Jira element, which is helpful if you want to make sure the page shows the right kind of data for your team. Next, choose what you want to insert. You might select a specific issue if you want to highlight one task, a project summary if you want a broader view, or a saved Jira filter if you want to display a dynamic list of issues. Choosing the right option matters because it determines exactly what information will appear in Confluence and how useful that page will be for others. After making your selection, click the option to insert the results, or a similar button depending on your version of Confluence. The chosen Jira element will then be placed directly into the page and linked back to Jira. One of the biggest advantages here is that the inserted Jira data stays connected to Jira, which means updates can be reflected in real time. That shared visibility helps improve communication, keeps documentation more accurate, and makes overall project management more efficient for the team. These same basic steps also apply to other types of Jira and Confluence integrations. So once you learn this workflow, you can reuse it in many different situations. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.